Ayo, this is Dash, and a few weeks ago I had an issue with my Traeger. So I can't make this up news. Do you see the problem there? Yes, Tracy decided that she was gonna have a fit. So tonight I'm gonna try and clean it out. Get ready. Alright, so welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining me. Tonight's endeavor, we're going to try to get Tracy cleaned out, get some of this ash and other gunk that's down in here out, and try to figure out why the igniter, I guess, or the glow plug or whatever it was, isn't working. Get the water pans out. The tray or the grate out, drip pan, get that out of the way, and I'll get you guys down in there so you can see what's going on. Alright, so this is pretty much looks like the best I'm gonna be able to do as far as getting you guys down in here so you're not all in the way. Let's get this tray out. This is a deflector, and this is where having this drill from DeWalt, or not drill, this vacuum from DeWalt comes in handy. Alright, so I've gone ahead and cleaned it out. At this point, I'm going to try to start it up and see what happens. See if the igniter actually works. And I'm going to work on getting this gunk in this corner over here on this drip tray out as well. But figure I'll start it up, see if the glow plug is actually working while I have it all apart. And then maybe I don't quite know how this whole mechanism works, but we'll find out together. Alright, so I can smell that this is trying to do something, but nothing's actually doing. I can smell it trying though. So I'm going to turn it off. Yep, I can see some smoke in there, so let's try again. Maybe I just wasn't patient enough. I see a little bit of smoke coming. You seeing what I'm seeing? You're seeing what I'm seeing, right? Maybe it was a fluke. I don't know. It looks like it's about to kick off. Let me hurry up and get this cleaned out before this fire starts. Alright. Y'all see the fire? I see the fire. There it is.
I said, oh Lord Jesus, it's a fire.
I don't know what happened. I'm set it to 300. Drip tray back down in there. Oh wait, I need this for the grate. So hopefully you guys can hear what I hear. The grill is ramping up, and maybe it just had something stuck in there that I vacuumed out, and we're all good to go. So at this point, there's some hot dogs in the house. I'm gonna go get some hot dogs, make myself some dinner. I'll be right back. All right, so hot dogs. It smells like brisket. I'm just gonna stick these, or actually, I'll move these up a little bit so you guys can see them a little better. All right, so originally I had these kind of in the center, but I'm gonna move them up so that for two reasons. One, I can use the overhead light above me and actually see and not need any additional light. Two, the heat comes around this drip tray in the front and in the back. So I'm gonna move them up to the forward edge, and you know, I'll be back in a few minutes. All right, so it's been a couple minutes and they're starting to cook. So I'm gonna just twist them. Give them another minute or two, and I'll be right back. So I'm hearing, oh yeah, we're getting some char here. So I'm gonna turn these over. Let them go for a little bit longer. So something I've talked about before with the Traeger is that it doesn't get hot enough to really give you a good sear or grill. I actually did a video way back when cooking burgers and hot dogs on the Traeger. If I remember, I'll put a card up there. If you see this video and there's no card up there, please comment down below, add the card. Please and thank you. Alright, so at this point, I'm just going to wait another minute or so, flip these things over, and then I'll probably take them in the house and eat. Alright, so this cooking or grilling the hot dogs was rather impromptu because I got the grill started. It was working rather. Here, actually, I'm going to turn these over. But I have a question. I have a question for you guys. Which way do you put, you know, I wasn't prepared. I don't have hot dog buns. So, do you eat your hot dogs on bread this way or this way? Which way? Perpendicular or vertically or horizontally? Comment down below. I'm gonna get the other ones off and I'll see you guys next time.